a rhythm, make them say yes.
Hey, give it up, give it up, give it up. My man came down here and took over the show. I tell you what, man, this is what we do it for. This is $20. You came out here, you worked hard. So tell you what, I'm gonna give you $20. But before that, I got a message for you, all right? Because I see a lot of kids out here. So you could be anything in the world that you want to be. In order to do that, get an education. We're not out here gangbanging. That's right. We're not out here selling drugs. We're promoting real hip hop. Healthy, independent people helping other people. That's right.